I believe in America. America has made my fortune, and I raised my daughter in American fashion. I gave her freedom, but I taught her never to dishonor her family. She found a boyfriend, not an Italian. She went to the movies with him. She stayed out late. I didn't protest. 2 months ago, he took her for a drive with another boyfriend. They made her drink whiskey, and then they tried to take advantage of her. She resisted. She kept her honor. So they beat her like an animal. When I went to the hospital, her nose was broken. Her jaw was shattered, held together by wire. She couldn't even weep because of the pain. But I wept. Why did I weep? She was the light of my life. Beautiful girl. Now she will never be beautiful again. Sorry. I went to the police, like a good American. These were the two boys that were brought to trial. The judges sentenced them to 3 years in prison. Suspended the sentence. Suspended the sentence. They went free that very day. I stood in the courtroom like a fool, and those two bastards, they smiled at me. Then I said to my wife, for justice, we must go to Don Corleone.
Buonasera, please. Why didn't you come to me first?
What do you want of me? Tell me, but do what I beg you to do.
What's that? That I cannot do.